Welcome to a MainelyDiY.com video. Hi, today I'm going to make a card for all of you people that are going nuts. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my card that I made that is my base card. You can look at MainelyDiY.com to see how I did that. It's kind of my signed card. So what I'm going to do is I am going to work on this space right here first, and I am going to insert an image, and I want a squirrel, and I want something that's free. There we go. All right, so here's a nice free image. I'm going to take that one. And I am going to get rid of this layer here because I don't want that for my project. So delete that. And I am going to make a duplicate of my squirrel. So I'm coming up here to hit duplicate. Just going to move that out of the way for now. And I'm going to take and I'm going to work with this one. And I'm going to put him on the front of my card. Going to play with his placement a little bit, maybe his size over, so I'm going to flip it horizontally with it until I get it where I want it. And then I am going to take him and I am going to change it from a cut line to a draw. Okay. Now I want that to be on my card, so I've got him selected. And so I can either hit shift and click and hit the card base, or I can select it like this, and I want to attach that. That way he'll be printed right where I want it printed. Now I am going to add some text. So I'm going to come up here and click my text box. And I'm going to write my text going, okay, and I'm going to drag that up here, resize it a little bit. And I can come over here and change my font if I want to. And then and I can adjust the size more to my liking. I'm going to change the style to draw. So I'm coming up here, clicking the little downy button. So let's do that again. So I'm going to change that from cut to draw. So I click this little down arrow and choose draw. So I'm going to change that to a different color just so that I can put a different colored pen in there than my squirrel. So I have that selected and I want to attach it to the background. So I'm going to hit the shift key and then come over here and hit the gray. And I've got them both selected and come down here and hit the attached. Okay, so I'm going to put this little guy on the inside, but I don't want as much detail on him. So I'm also going to draw him. So I'm going to change that to draw. And I'm going to come down here to contour and take out a lot of the contours on that. Since I'm taking out so much, I'm just going to hide all. And then I'll come back in and move him up, and I want to show his eyeball. I want to have this. And I think I'm going to call that good, so I'll hit this X. Okay, and there he is. And I'm going to shrink him down quite a bit. My card all designed. I'm going to go play with the colors a little bit so that they're things that make sense. Because when you go to cut it, it's going to tell you what color pen to put in. And when you get all done, and I'll save it. So I have a simple little card made pretty quick. It's just going a little nuts. I've left my little squirrel so that somebody could color it, so they have an activity with their card. And then inside it says, really? I just thought you were naturally squirrely. I used a fatter pen on the inside that kept some of the, reduced the gap in on the lettering. And I have my little squirrel drawn here. And then on the back, I have embossed my signature, and I have a video specifically on how to do that on MainelyDiY.com.